Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at National Los Angeles, and let's start off with this Cadillac XT6 that's in the aisle here today. Be nice for somebody. 18,000 miles on it. And it looks like it's got the Bose audio. Not sure, but I didn't see a sunroof on there. XT6 400. Alright, let's take a wander through the rest of the executive aisle. There's a Cadillac Escalade over there. We got that Subaru. A bunch of minivans today. It's a weekday, middle of the week. Quite a few cars for the middle of the week. We got a Grand Cherokee. Oh boy, yeah, the minivans are rolling in. I just missed a black Camaro convertible by a couple minutes. So let's wander around, see if we can find another one. We got a couple more. We got Pacifica, Murano, a couple more minivans here. Camry, Cadillac SUV over there. Got a Lexus on the other side. Hyundai, Nissan. And we got one of those newer Wranglers. I think that's the plug-in one. We got an Audi. Looks like a Q3. There's that Cadillac. Got a 4Runner. This is Lexus. How you doing? One of the guys I know out here at LAX. Looks like we're looking for a spot for this Audi here. Q5 and going into the aisle somewhere. Here's a Camaro. I was looking for a convertible. Let's see what else we got going on here. They've got a bunch of these Hyundai Konas with almost no miles on them. We'll get to one of those in a second here. See some of the reserve cars on the end. Here's one of them. And I think this is the one that had 7 miles on it. Hyundai Kona, and I believe these are all electric. Let's have a quick look again. Yeah, this is the 7-mile one. If it dash is kind of dim, but I think you can see it there. And this, I think, I don't know as much about these, but this might be the base model. Yeah, she still got the barcode stickers on everything, eh? Even on the roof. Got a, oh, people are asking about, okay, so is this a hybrid? People are asking about the minivans. What do we got here? Sienna, oh boy, it's parked so close. Can we, oh, I think it might be a hybrid. Let me do a little dance here, guys. Sienna, I think that blue means it's, there you go. Sienna hybrid. Now, how do we get over? Okay, so there are hybrids. They're not, I don't think there's many of those. You know, let's take a quick look over here, guys. So you can see inside. And then you can see me there in the reflection. Got a Nissan, VW, Camry, Corolla. Here's another of these Kona electrics they got in. A whole bunch of those. We'll see them coming up in the aisle. Another one coming up down here. And I'm just going to find another way through here. Sorry, guys. Trying not to interrupt those people loading up the car at the end. Just continuing on with the Emerald Club aisle here. Got a Malibu. That one's probably missing keys with the wipers up. Lots of Malibus. I think those are, I don't know if those have gone out of production yet, but they're stocking up on those. They must be getting a good deal on them. And those are some of the reserve down at the end, larger SUVs, a couple more Malibus, more reserve in behind. And here's a couple more of these Kona electrics. Now, has this one got different wheels? No, I think these are all. This one's got a little bit more light. You can maybe see it better. This one's got 53 miles on it. Still got the stickers on it. And another one, and then there's, you know what, I think this, what is this at the end, or is this just a Corolla? Yeah, it's just a Corolla. All right, a bunch of cars in the overflow. Okay, guys, there's another, oh, geez, there's all over the place, the Konas. Thanks for watching. Just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.